Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be learning all about while loops. The while loop concept is very simple. A while loop runs while a condition is true. Any condition is true. Now right here I have quite an interesting example. Now this is a little game. I know, first game ever on this channel, but it's still not very good, and later on we might be doing I have a more complete and a actually good version of the game, which actually has random numbers between 1 and 100, and you have to guess, and then you get points, and basically an actual game. But this is something very basic. It doesn't have a random number generator, but it still works, and it works using the while loop. Now, as I said already, a while loop could be infinite because it runs while a certain condition is true. Now, a certain condition can be true forever. That means that if, for example, we say if pi is equal to, I don't know, 3.145, 3.1415, then that will always be the case. Or, for example, if we say that while is equal to while 4 is equal to 2 plus 2, then obviously 2 plus 2 will equal 4 forever. Like 2 plus 2 won't ever equal a 3, or 2 plus 3 won't ever equal 5, anything else. So therefore, while a condition is true, it will run. That's why it could potentially be infinite. Now this is a little game where you have to guess a random number between 1 and 10, and without no further talk, let's just run it. So for now, the number is 8, is 7. So incorrect, and the loop will only break when we enter the correct number. So if it takes 20 tries, it will take 20 tries until we get the correct number. In this case, 7. It could take 1,000,000 tries. I could be sitting here my whole life just trying to guess the number, but as long as I enter the wrong number, the loop will continue. It will continue iterating. And this is the beauty of the while loop. And now let's enter the right number, 7. You won. Okay, now let's look at the code a little bit. So right here I declare two integers, num guess, which is the correct number, and int guess. So this is the guess that the number you guess. So see how it gets the number between 1 and 10. Oh, this is not in the loop. This is in case they get it on the first try. Guess the number between 1 and 10. See and guess. Okay, they enter their guess. If they guessed it correctly, they go straight past the loop. They skip the loop, and see how you won is executed. Now, if their answer is anything else, then the loop will be run. And the condition of the loop is num guess is not equal to guess. Remember when we learned about operators? This is the not operator. Now remember, you might be a little bit confused because you might be thinking, well, isn't this the not operator? Yes, but this is the not operator. And right now we're comparing two values. And when we're comparing two values, we want an equal sign there because we're comparing two values to see if they're not equal to each other. That's why we need this. And this basically reads, num guess is not equal to guess. So while this number is not equal to this number, these two lines of code will be executed over and over and over again. See out incorrect, try again. Now you can guess again, and if it's incorrect, the loop will be run until you guess the right number. Now this is kind of interesting. Now we're going to be creating an infinite loop just to see how it works. Now you can make it as hard as you want or as simple as you want. I'll just make it very simple. Okay, we don't need all of this. We can pretty much do it all in like 2 lines. Alright, so Okay guys, so basically this is an example of an infinite loop because 1 will always equal to 1 in this universe. Maybe in, I don't know, in a universe which is a million light years away, 1 is not equal to 1, but in our universe, in mathematics, 1 is always equal to 1. Therefore, this is an infinite loop. Will 1 ever not equal 1? No. No. So, yeah, let's run it. Now let's look at this beauty. Actually, you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, we can create the matrix. Okay, so it's gonna run forever. Let's create the matrix. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now this is... So right now we're basically creating the matrix. Since it's an infinite loop, we'll create an infinite matrix. Let's modify the 1s and the 0s a bit. Actually, this is pretty cool. Oh, I mean, let's just get rid of this 0. 1 here, and remove a 0 here, and add a 0 here, and add a 1 here. Okay, so basically this is our very, very simple but cool looking matrix. Behold it. Guys, we just officially created the matrix. Now we can do the same thing for 2 is equal to 2, and you get the idea. Okay guys, so this was my tutorial on while loops. It was very short, but I hope you found that interesting and you now understand a little better how while loops and for loops work. In the next tutorial, we're going to be looking at the range-based for loops. Okay guys, see you soon.